Planning your first trip? I've got you covered with the top 5 must-see spots, from cliffside temples to emerald rice paddies and sunrise hikes. This isn't just a checklist, it's about experiencing Bali's true spirit and making memories that last. Grab your notebook and get ready for wanderlust. Let's unlock the best of Bali together. Are you ready? Let's jump in. Number 5 is Uluwatu Temple, perched dramatically atop a 70-meter cliff overlooking the Indian Ocean. Arrive before sunset to explore the ancient stone carvings and soak in the sacred atmosphere. As the sun sets, the Kecak fire dance begins, over 100 men chanting in a hypnotic chorus, telling the Ramayana as the sky blazes with color. It's pure magic culture, nature, and spectacle in one unforgettable evening. Watch out for the cheeky monkeys, they're notorious for snatching sunglasses and snacks. Keep your valuables close and enjoy the wild, wonderful Uluwatu adventure. This is Bali at its most breathtaking. Don't miss it. At number 4, we head to Ubud's Tegallalang rice terraces, a landscape so lush and sculpted it feels unreal. Wander the winding paths, watch farmers at work, and listen to the gentle trickle of water through the ancient Subak irrigation system. Snap that iconic photo or take a thrilling ride on a Bali swing over the Emerald Valley. After exploring, relax at a ridgetop cafe with fresh coconut or local coffee, soaking in the view. Tegallalang isn't just a sight, it's an experience for all your senses. It's the perfect escape from the bustle, and a must for every Bali itinerary. Bring your camera and your sense of wonder, you'll never forget it. Number 3 is the Sacred Monkey Forest Sanctuary in Ubud, a living jungle temple where over 1,000 macaques roam free. Step beneath ancient banyan trees, cross dragon bridges, and discover mossy temples hidden in the green. The monkeys are everywhere, playful, curious, and sometimes mischievous. Watch their antics, but keep your belongings close. The forest is alive with history, spirituality, and wild energy. It's a place where nature and culture blend seamlessly. Every visit feels like stepping into a fairy tale. It's pure Bali magic. At number 2, we visit Tegallalang, Bali's most iconic temple, perched on a rock in the sea. Time your visit for sunset, when the temple becomes a silhouette against a fiery sky. At high tide, it's an island. At low tide, you can walk to its base and receive a blessing from the priests. Legends of sea gods and guardian snakes add to the mystique. Wander the coastline for unique views and soak in the spiritual energy. Tegallalang is a symbol of Bali's beauty and culture. It's a must-see for every traveler. Topping the list is the Mount Batur Sunrise Trek, a true Bali adventure. Start before dawn, hiking by flashlight up the active volcano with your guide. Reach the summit as the first light breaks, revealing clouds below and Lake Batur shimmering in the distance. Enjoy a simple breakfast cooked by volcanic steam. Yes, really. The sunrise here is pure golden light, panoramic views, and a sense of accomplishment. Bring a jacket, it's chilly at the top. This is Bali's most epic view, and the perfect way to start your day. Don't miss this unforgettable experience. And that's a wrap. 5 unforgettable Bali experiences from sacred temples to sunrise summits. I hope this guide sparks your wanderlust and helps you plan the adventure of a lifetime. Share your Bali dreams or favorite spots in the comments below. Like, share, and subscribe for more travel inspiration. Until next time, keep exploring. See you in the next adventure.